how about some sound testing? Had a couple people ask me to do this, so figured why not. I think this could be really helpful for, those that actually have some logical concern about hearing damage. So run through a couple of the haptics. I'm gonna put the case out of the way so I can put my hand here. I'm gonna keep it in the same spot. What I've done is, before I started recording, I got some loud fidgets. You can see the meter reacting. What I did is I put it up here by my ear, which is, about normal distance from ear to fidget. So I've got the device up on my head right now, and I'm looking at it, and I'm seeing 96, 95.5, 96, 96.9, 97, 95. All right, so you get the idea. So now when I put it down here, 98, 94, 98. Let's see, maybe a little further now. 96. So that's looking really consistent within 1 decibel for what I'm getting up to my left ear in regards to my right hand. So just for consistency's sake, this is how it would sound to your ear if you were sitting at a desk, in a chair, fidget in hand. So the Compiform V3, everything is over 95. It registers over 100 pretty frequently when you do these clicks. I'm recording this with AirPods in, so I can be really loud with this thing. It's blocking out the sound, so yeah. When you do the normal stuff, it's really not that loud. But even those clicks, see the quiet ones? It's all 88 there. 90. Doesn't seem that loud, but it really is, and I think it has a lot to do with the pitch of this one. All right, so I just had that one in my hand. I'm gonna run through my haptic stuff pretty quick in order. I'm not gonna talk, and I'm just going to fidget with it so you can see noise levels and maybe have some kind of representation on the mic and not having my voice interfering with what's being recorded and what's being picked up over here. So yeah, all right, here we go. Metal Toys DZ Top C. I guess I'll say what things are and if I'm being forceful with it or if I'm being quiet. Maybe you can just tell if I'm being forceful or quiet. Pig haptic coin, the ratchet coin. If you do quiet. And I'm going to try to keep my hand around this corner each time too, so that's the accurate distance. Saw a 94 there, 93, interesting. Loud if I do it like that for sure. It's loud, but I can use it like this. Still feels good and isn't crazy loud at all. Just on the edges when you do a really light touch. And hand cup pop direction, like the way you have your hand curved. If I have it curved towards it, definitely louder. So this one's on the fence for me. V1.1. Frequency over 90. Especially whenever I slam it around like I like to do. Pretty bummed about this one. Got the wrapped. It's not that loud. There's one at 91. cup it a little harder, definitely quieter. The V3 again. It's pretty consistently 95. I can do the tighter grip thing with it, but it kills the feedback. It's still up there on the noise level. .42 Cosmo owl slider. Those moves are pretty loud. Usually it's in the low 80s. This one's quiet unless you do those. I remember getting some 90s. This guy's pretty quiet. I took the balls out and put in disc magnets, cylinder magnets, so there's less play now. More force, less play, less sound. Pico pick's awesome now. 0-1 slider. I'm on the fence with this one too. It's quiet most of the time, but some of those pops get up there, yeah, into the 90s. I think that's everything in the case, really, that might be of any interest. Cool. See ya.